Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's Truckers Only video. Have a nice day.
And then yesterday was, we got up in the morning and I had her gifts laid out on the kitchen table, and she loved her gifts. And
did you write a love poem?
What?
No, I just got her a really cool card. You know, a really cool, mushy love card. And then I always get like a funny card also. It was, the card was really cool. Simple card. It had pictures of 2 spoons on the front, 2 little spoons. It's, I love to spoon with you. And then it opens up and there's 2 forks in there. And it says, I like the fork too.
Roses are red, give me head.
Yeah, I got her a box of guitar. But basically it was, how much I love her and how much I like spending, you know, my...
Quelqu'un pour vrai qui nous écoute à la radio qui a besoin pour vrai de nous parler de quelque
Il reste imbécile.
Le message du texte 96.9, puis nous, on va lire à la fin de l'émission.
C'est ça qu'ils font là. C'est son camp.
Whoa, what the f is this guy doing? Fucking truck driver went from the right lane to from the ramp all the way to the middle lane.
So here's my lane of traffic. Hey, buddy. What you doing over there? You, take the wrong turn, bud? All right. Have a good one.
on a minute. I got a guy flagged me down with a semi that's waving a fire extinguisher. Let's see if I can help him out. Just backed into the car. Yeah, because they got truck parking. So about all that. I should put something on the tire if I got to do it. Come on over since you want over so goddamn bad. You about ran me off the road, dumbass. Whoa! Okay, Garmin. Save video. Holy shit, that's a big bear. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
You're not worried, in particular, about the Delta variant to the degree that you're going to wear a mask when you're outside, even though you're fully vaccinated.
Right. I worry that I will, especially outside, that I would get the virus. Even if I did get a breakthrough infection, which I find if I surveil myself, even if I did have it, I feel pretty comfortable.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.